Hello. Sorry. I'm a photographer and I'm taking pictures of people and posting the result. Would you like to get a few pictures?
I'm not very photogenic.
Come on, you are. Let me show you what to do. Look, this is what I do.
Oh, this is cool.
Thank you.
I'm waiting for my friend, and she is my height, and she's also very beautiful.
Yeah, you can keep them. It looks nice. Yeah. Lovely. Thank you. Wait. Can I get a big smile? That was so cute. Sure.
Oh, that's cool.
Get your Instagram and I'm gonna send you the photos after that.
I'll just send you a little emoji.
No, perfect. Yeah, that's a funny one. That's perfect. Do you know where is your... Oh, hello. Oh, okay. Can we get photos all together?
That's fine.
Okay? Yeah? Okay, perfect.
Like you, I'm you, me and you. Yeah.
Well, both of you. Lovely. Okay, that's nice. That's perfect. Thank you so much. Have a good day.